Investors often face a common dilemma. Should they invest in large caps, mid caps, or small caps? Large caps may offer stability but often have slower growth potential. Mid caps may strike a balance between risk and potential growth. Small caps come with a higher risk but also the possibility of long term potential returns. So, how do you decide what to include in your portfolio? There's no one size fits all answer. In this video, we break down market caps in a simple way so you can make informed investment decisions. Let's dive in. Market capitalization is calculated as share price into total number of outstanding shares. Based on this, mutual funds are broadly classified into three categories: large cap, mid cap, and small cap funds, each catering to different risk appetites and investment goals. Large cap funds, relative stability and dependable. Large cap funds invest in well-established companies. In today's time, large cap companies have a market cap of above 1 lakh crore rupees. These companies, often called blue chip stocks, are industry leaders with strong financials. Let's see its pros and cons. Pros: typically more stable during market downturns, tend to offer steady growth over the long term, lower volatility compared to mid and small caps. Cons: may have slower growth potential than smaller companies. Valuations can be higher due to strong demand. It is suitable for investors looking for stability and a long-term growth approach with relatively lower risk. Mid-cap funds, the sweet spot for potential growth. Mid-cap companies in today's time are companies with market cap more than 33,000 crore rupees and less than 1 lakh crore rupees. These companies are often in a high growth phase but come with more risk than large caps. Its pros include higher growth potential than large caps, more resilient than small caps in downturns, potential to become future large caps. Its cons include more volatility than large caps, sensitivity to economic fluctuations. It is suitable for investors seeking a balance between stability and higher growth potential with a moderate risk appetite. Small cap funds, high risk, high reward. Small cap companies invest in market cap below 30,000 crore rupees. These funds focus on high growth businesses, but they come with significant risk. It has pros like higher potential for long-term capital appreciation, opportunity to invest in early stage businesses, whereas its cons include higher volatility compared to large and mid caps, may be more affected by economic slowdowns, and lower liquidity and fewer analyst coverages. It is suitable for investors with a high risk appetite and a long-term investment horizon. Market cycles impact mutual funds differently, so understanding historical trends can help set realistic expectations. However, it is important to note that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Large caps tend to be more resilient during downturns. Historically, broad indices like Nifty 100 have delivered stable returns over the long term. Mid-caps have shown higher growth potential but tend to fluctuate more than large caps. Historically, indices like Nifty Midcap 150 have seen higher swings in performance. Small caps have experienced strong long-term growth but with higher volatility. Indices like Nifty Small Cap 250 have seen large drawdowns during downturns. Risk varies across categories, and diversifying across market caps can help manage volatility over time. Choosing the right market cap segment isn't always straightforward. Market trends shift, and the best performing category today may not remain the same in the future. This is where flexi cap funds come in. They offer the flexibility to invest across large, mid, and small cap stocks based on market conditions. Fund managers can adjust allocations dynamically to seize opportunities. Investors can gain exposure to a diversified mix of stocks instead of being locked into a single market cap segment. For example, the Bajaj Finserv Flexi Cap Fund follows this dynamic approach, allowing investors to participate in potential growth while balancing risks. With a Flexi Cap strategy, you are not tied to a rigid allocation. Your portfolio can adapt to evolving market trends, aiming to optimize long-term wealth creation. The Bajaj Finserv Flexi Cap Fund follows an active investment strategy, adjusting exposure across large, mid, and small caps based on market conditions. Diversification: investing across different market cap segments. Dynamic asset allocation: adjusting exposure as per evolving trends. Growth focus: identifying opportunities in sectors driven by mega trends. This flexibility ensures that investors are well positioned across different market cycles. Bajaj Finserv Flexi Cap Fund also follows a mega trends investing strategy. Mega trends are large-scale shifts that influence markets and investor behavior. Investing in these trends can open up new opportunities and help build a well-diversified portfolio. Why focus on mega trends? Broad diversification. Mega trends span multiple industries, offering exposure beyond traditional sector-based investments. Long-term growth potential. Companies leading these trends often have strong business models and the ability to navigate market shifts. Resilience in uncertainty. Businesses aligned with megatrends may be better positioned to withstand market volatility and economic downturns. By investing in companies at the forefront of transformative changes, investors can gain exposure to emerging opportunities while managing risk efficiently. Want to know more? Check out the Bajaj Finserv Flexi Cap Fund. The link is in the description. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.